No, I'm wondering. This one not the tourist come here. Yeah, Mactanito. Yes. Where the beach? We also have a wedding
That's the
ceremony.
entrance of the Mactan Newtown Beach. And that's the pool. That's the concierge. And if you are a unit owner of the Mactan Newtown, any Mactan Newtown Township, you can go and have direct access with this exclusive beach of the Mactan Newtown. And I'm going to tour you right now what you can see, what you can enjoy with this beach of the Mactan Newtown. So we have like two buildings for the first ceiling of Mactan Newtown, the Positano and the Salvida. And we have also ready for occupancy units at the One Manchester Place and the Owl Turn. Yeah, these are all the area of the, that's the beach front. And that's the playground. That's the playground. If you're interested in buying any units in Mactan Newtown, just message me and I will leave my mobile number, my WhatsApp, and my Viber and my email on the description of this video below. And again, you can enjoy this facility if you are already a resident of any township in Mactan Newtown. And that's going to another place there. In La Victoria building, there is only one remaining unit left, studio, and it's a lower floor, in the third floor, and in One Manchester, and in, yeah, I like this place. Lots of greens. And the Positano, the studio of Positano, the price there is about, for the cheapest is the 9 million for the studio. That's the pavilion of the Mactan Newtown Beach. There are lots of people wearing the bikinis. We will not take them. That's privacy. And this is the alfresco. Lapok. And this is the beach. This is the beach front. That's the beach. And that's the pavilion. Let's go back. You can use that for your wedding if you want to have your wedding here. That place can be useful for the wedding reception. Wedding. It's very hot. It's 12 in the midnight. 12 noon. Thank you, Chief.
$1,800 with the outsiders. Yeah, they have lunch buffet and all access.
Okay, lunch buffet 2夜晚嘅
1,800
1,800 yeah
一日
yeah
包食。
how much is your hotel one bedroom here?
They do 可以後尾啦。
幾錢晚啊？佢哋
Sometimes yeah we like to stay in the hotel like, instead of going back home something like that we also need to think something.
Okay, just tell me so that I can.
Oh, it's 1 or 2 bedroom, yeah, 2 bedroom in 1 room. Is still part of Macau?
That one,
No.
okay.
The reef, that's the reef.
The reef.
The reef is
東邊嗰啲
Yeah, some
hectares.
30,000.
呢幾間酒店可以呢度可以
30,000, right? Yeah. 即係好似成個 village 咁樣，but好 progressive
即係
and very compact.
佢唔係住酒店嗰啲，淨係住屋嗰啲得唔得？
Yeah, 都可以。係啊。If we have a unit here, we don't have to ask for access for the beach, right?
You just have to inform the concierge and
Okay. But we're going to the beach.
and they will give you the
This one, yeah, it's free for us. But the food we have to pay, right? They have to pay. Food and all things. Keep in mind, 如果係我哋住呢度，咁你都報啦。呢個係叫 Savoy Hotel。
So our first, second.
This is the one Mactan Newtown. Savoy Hotel.
How much?
That's the La Victoria. La Victoria building. There. The lobby of the La Victoria here in Mactan, Newton. This was recently turned over last year. And next to this building will be the Pearl. And this is the lobby. So there is only one unit available here and they reopened for the penthouse. Penthouse is still available for about 30 million pesos. Thank you. Chip, thank you, Chip. La Victoria.